Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Kpit started their hiring for freshers off campus. So this is the registration link. It is going to be a very big link. I'm going to explain fully. So all start things are mandatory. If you filled all only you can submit it. If you missed anyone you cannot submit, you should reapply once again. So I'm going to explain each and everything. If you missed out means you cannot apply this. Why? Because you seen here itself one of the biggest trouble to apply for Kpit. They are asking everything before itself filling the application itself, so you should be very sharp while applying this. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end. If you are watched one time you will get a clear idea. So share to your friend and don't skip it. Your college university registration number, select your college, first name, your initial or father name, gender and your date of birth, active personal mail ID, college mail ID should not be there, mobile number, PAN number is there, you cannot, otherwise Aadhaar card is must, your permanent address in Aadhaar card or ration card, whether if you are in any other address which are not related to your Aadhaar card or PAN card, no problem, you can apply here. You can write here preferred work location, you can select as per your wish. If Kpit not able to provide a preferred location or ready to join, yes, you just want to give yes. AICT of college, if you go to Google and type your college name and keep on AICT number for my college, it will show. So no problem, you can search name of the university, relevant certificate or degree, which university you are from, whether if you are deemed university, no problem. Otherwise if your college is linked with any other university, you just wrote the name. Category of autonomy of college institute, if full time, if your autonomous own college can design own culture, cannot affiliate to university design courses. They are asking about it is comes under any university or own courses autonomous. They are asking based upon your college detail you can provide here. Please mention your training placement officer name, email ID, phone number must, and which district is from college. 10th percentage, mathematics separately you should give your percentage divided by 100, and year of passing 2016 or 2017, 12th or a diploma like that, any year of specialization, BTech. Just want to click here, and this is the area they are looking for, mechanical engineer also, others they are mentioning here, which is the last semester ongoing recent included degree and diploma program, which is all subject have been conducted. Which semester you are at currently, which semester is going to be end in the month and year. Till semester ongoing to recently include the degree from final mark sheet, consolidated diploma, it's available. Everything just want to give the total percentage of degree in diploma programming. If not there means any you can give. Our proficiency in Japanese, no, I don't have any proficiency. German, everything don't know if given. They're asking about how to rate yourself from C language. So I just give, I can independently work, a basic skills you can give. If you know, otherwise if you don't know anything, no skills you can give. Embedded C, C++, source concept, Java in programming, Slumkin, program MATLAB, controller lab, and comfort with any programming language. If you are done in any certification, can give yes, I have independent work. High on detail analytic capability, enabled to quick test about algorithm. If you know, you can give. Or calculus limit, differentiate integration, if you are having knowledge, yes, you can give. What is your comfort level with the probability theory and statistics? If you know max calculation in your diploma or your 12th or your intermediate, if you have done statistic calculation, how can you rate yourself? Can give. Mathematic, dynamic vector, and deep learning and machine learning, any experience, which is your comfort level of programming to package of machine learning and deep learning. On same as degree, mechanical engineer, mechatronics, or you work in other technology domains. Possess degree. First electrical and electronic, they are ready to work in any other technologies. Yes, you just want to, yes, I want to work in mechatronics, I can work in other domains also, you can give. You can give your project, how many projects if you have done, beginning project, main project, thesis work, or continuation of project, you just want to explain here. How did the job opportunities you can nearby, anything you can give. Career WhatsApp, preferred to coding test in C, or which language is preferred for two test coding. They are asking you only, so just want to give a two test coding here. So based upon your giving only they will send the question to you. Resume, photo with the bag or return. If CG has been awarded in a university, percentage table, you can fill it here and apply now. This is the campus at Kpit started their registration. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt while filling this form, comment me in the comment section. Share to your friends. Good opportunities for everyone. Thanks for watching this channel.